Toolmaker is someone who would manufacture molds and do repairs, do troubleshooting on different things as far as problems with the mold, problems with the molding floor, things that happen, things that you want to happen, many different troubleshooting aspects of that. It's a precision job sometimes, and sometimes it's a manual physical job. Variety of lathes, milling machines, grinders, RAM, EDM machines, CNC blades, CNC mills, welders, different varieties of hydraulic systems that we need to operate the molds, to fix the molds, to make them work. A lot of bench work as far as hand tools that you hand work stuff like for polishing, for roughing parts out, for finishing them, many different tools. The ability to create something from your mind and go from an idea to something you can hold in your hand.